Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Epify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to hide phone number on Telegram. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open Telegram app. Here go to the setting icon that is located on bottom right corner, tap on it. Now you'll see privacy and security. When you scroll down, click on it. Now here you will see phone number in the list of privacy. Tap on my contacts. It will navigate you to this interface. So here you can choose who can see your phone number. So click on nobody and go back. Now your phone number will be visible to nobody. You can only see your phone number. So in this way you can hide phone number on Telegram. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.